Right, what a mess. This is it. So you can't see down here, but we've tied into the field line down there, full of sewage. It can't seep in. It's just too tight. But it's all working super good. Goes into the tank. So what we did was the field line shot out this way, came around through here. Boom. So what we did was we bypassed all of this because it was full of roots, and just came down through here. So they lost about 20 feet of drain field line. This goes right into the fields. Anyway, that's it. This is called a crossover or a bypass. So literally you bypass or cross over damaged lines. And we actually, right here in another video, John jetted out the field lines. I showed him jetting it out and made sure they were good and clear, and yes, they are. That's it, folks, a bypass or a crossover.